I'm Lily, and welcome back. Today's tip is all about hidden phone settings that make everything easier, and most people never touch them. Here's the thing, phones are powerful, but most people only use what they see on the surface. Wow! Let's start with text size and bold text. Slightly increasing text makes everything easier to read. It reduces eye strain and helps you stay comfortable longer. This tiny change makes a big difference. Now switch on one-hand mode. Your screen shrinks just enough to reach everything easily. Perfect when you're multitasking or on the move. Once you use this, it feels impossible to go back. Here's one most people ignore: animation scale. Reducing animations makes your phone feel instantly faster. Mind blown. Apps open quicker and everything feels smoother. Extra smart setting. Turn on adaptive brightness. Your phone adjusts light automatically and saves battery at the same time. Less effort, better performance. These small changes reduce eye strain, save time, and make daily phone use feel effortless. It's not about a new phone, it's about smarter settings. Hidden settings don't look exciting, but they quietly upgrade your entire experience. Sparkle. If this helped you, don't forget to like. And check out the next tip, it's even cooler.